Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a full recipe video, but due to Sri Lanka's current situation, the power went off while I was baking. So I have given only the filling recipe. Ingredients and measurements will be written at the end of this video. If you are new, before watching the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video. In a deep dried pan, add in oil, and after the oil is heated, add onion and saute it for a minute. I am making chicken and fish filling with the same ingredients. In the large pan I am adding canned fish, and in the small one I am adding cooked and shredded chicken. Now the same ingredients will be added to both the fillings. Check the ingredients with measurements at the end of this video. Roughly I'll be telling it: adding yogurt or curd, garlic, vinegar, red chili powder, red chili flakes, black pepper, cumin, crushed cumin, coriander powder, salt to taste, turmeric. Add orange food color. As I didn't have, I added red food color. Add in all-purpose flour, mix it, then add 1 cup of milk. Cook it for a minute. After it's thickened, off the flame. This is the reason why I wasn't able to give the bun recipe, because while I was doing the egg wash, the power went off, so I just fried it both the sides because iftar time was near, as it's Ramadan. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if there's any suggestions, leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.